everyone. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE. This is an all-wheel drive. Listen to that run smooth. Go ahead and drop this hood so I can take it for a tour. Does have alloy wheels. As you see, it has light gray leather seats. It also has luggage rails on top. It does seat 7. These seats fold down, and it does have a ridiculous amount of space down here. Toyota did a fantastic job with that. Then you also have additional power supplies here and back. Okay, I'll show you the interior. First I can give you a shot of the VIN. There we go. It does have a sunroof. A shot of the back, and it does have the entertainment package. Let me go ahead and show you that. There you go. Okay, so hopping in, you got your blind spot monitor and your parking sensor. See that it has 61,241 miles on it. I am going to go ahead and turn this down, both in the front and the back, so you can hear me better. Okay, turn this down. Alright, so obviously here is your stereo. You have AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and then rear. That just shows you your camera. Okay, so we can go ahead and bounce over to the apps. You have navigation, which is looking for the SD card. Apparently there's not one in this vehicle. That's easy to fix. It's to get an SD card. It also has your eco settings and your push to talk and all that kind of fun stuff. So we'll just go ahead and leave it there, and it's going to want to pair with your phone when you receive it. Okay, here are your comfort controls and your shifter, also your push button start. As you come down here, you're going to see your heated seats for the front, and also your aux and USB. And then here is your Blueray, your SD, and your DVD that you can play for your entertainment center. Okay, and here's your push to talk, and also your volume control for your stereo. You can also toggle your trip computer and your monitors and all this kind of fun stuff in here. Okay, and then as you come up here, there's a mirror so you can see what's going on in the back. In case you have kids, that's invaluable. And there you go. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact in the front right here, and it turned out to just be cosmetics. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the State of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.